Hello girls, hope you're doing good. Okay, we'll continue with exercise 1B. We have done till question number 6 in the last video. We'll start with question number 7. Question number 7 is arrange and simplify. This is arrange and simplify. Arrange and simplify. Okay, so we are going to do this. We'll start with very first part. The first part is 1 upon 2 plus minus 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2. See, it is written arrange and simplify. एक तो होता है simplify, that we have done in question number 3. We simply do the solution and get the answer. Here it is written first arrange it and then simplify it. What does this mean? We are going to arrange this, whatever pattern it can be. Arranging के हमारे पास different patterns है. We'll see that whatever pattern it can be, we are going to arrange and then we are going to simplify. Okay, let us start with it. First part is this. Now first of all, our very first step is arranging them. How we are going to arrange? We'll see that these two numbers are having the same denominators. So we'll bring them together. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. This number is having different denominator. We'll keep it separately, plus minus 3 upon 5. So what we did, the numbers having the same denominator, we brought them together. That means how we are arranging it? We are bringing the numbers which are having the same denominator together. So this is one way of arranging the questions or arranging the digits. Okay, this is the way we'll bring the numbers having the same denominator together. अब जब same denominator होगा तो LCM will be same. This will be 1 plus 3. Plus minus will be minus 3 upon 5. 4 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5. We'll take the LCM here. The LCM will be 10. 2 5s are 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 2 3s are 6. This will be 14 by 10. That is 7 by 5. And 7 by 5, 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. 7 by 5 will be 1.4. So this is your answer. Or you can write it in whole also. 1.4 or 1 whole 2 upon 5. In either way you can write it. What we did, we brought the numbers having the same denominator together. We solved them. The other digit is kept separately. This is 4 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5. We took the LCM and then again we solved it and we got the answer 7 upon 5. That is 1 upon 4, 1.4, or you can say 1 whole 2 upon 5. Understood? So this is arranging and then we are simplifying it. We'll do one more part, that is part 3. Third part we are going to do. The third part is 2 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 6 plus minus 8 upon 15. Now we have to arrange this and simplify. पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया, जिसका सेम डिनोमिनेटर था, we brought them together and then simplified it. But यहाँ पर if I see they are not having any of the same denominators. अब same denominators तो है नहीं. So how we are going to solve this? So हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें सोचेंगे कि arrangement हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. We'll bring those numbers together जिनका जो एक दूसरे के multiples है. Denominator में like if I see 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. तो हम इन तीनों को एक साथ लेके आ सकते हैं. This is one way. या तो हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं, मल्टीपल्स देख लेते हैं, और हम क्या करते हैं, 2 नंबर माइनस के हैं एंड 2 नंबर्स आर ऑफ प्लस. या वन वे इज डूइंग दिस. हमने क्या किया, मल्टीपल्स को एक साथ ले लिया. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. तो इसको एक साथ ले लिया और अदर वाले को सेपरेट कर दिया. और मोर इजी वे इज प्लस वालों को एक साथ पिक कर लो माइनस वालों को एक साथ फिट कर लो. दिस इज फॉर द एडिशन एंड दिस इज फॉर द सब्ट्रैक्शन. ठीक है, आप किसी भी वे से अरेंज कर सकते हैं. यू हैव टू अरेंज देम सो दैट आपकी कैलकुलेशन और आपका सॉल्यूशन इजी हो जाए करना. ठीक है, सो हियर 3 and 6 LCM will be 6. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 plus 1. Here it will be 15. 5 और 15 का LCM क्या आएगा? 15. 5 3s are 15 minus 9 plus minus 8. This will be 5 by 6 plus minus 9 plus minus will be minus. This will be again 5 by 6 plus minus minus will be plus. So this will be minus 17 by 15. 5 upon 6 plus minus minus. This we got. Now we'll again take the LCM. 6 or 15 the LCM will be 30. 6 5s are 30, 5 5s are 25, 15 2s are, this will be 34. So this will be minus, plus minus is minus. So answer will be 34 minus 25. That will be minus 9 by 30. We can cancel it by 3. 3 3s are 9. So minus 3 upon 10 will be your answer. See what we did. First, our very first step was arranging it. Right? After arranging it, you can do it in either way. या तो हम मल्टीपल्स वाले पिक कर लेते और तीनों नंबर्स को एक साथ लिख के विल टेक द LCM. इट इज लाइक दिस. इफ देयर इज एनी कंफ्यूजन, 2 by 3, मैंने 1 by 6 और minus 8 by 15 को एक साथ रख लिया था. ओके, वाई? बिकॉज ये तीनों 3 के मल्टीपल्स हैं. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. यू कैन टेक द LCM हियर, सॉल्व इट और फिर इसके साथ ये सॉल्व कर सकते हो. और द अदर वे ऑफ अरेंजिंग इट इज प्लस वालों को एक साथ ले लो, माइनस वालों को एक साथ ले लो. प्लस वालों को वी हैव सॉल्व्ड इट, माइनस वालों को सॉल्व्ड इट, देन वी गॉट दिस. Finally we took the LCM and we got the answer, that is minus 3 upon 10. This is how we arrange and simplify. Next we are going to do is the sixth part. I'm just telling you are going to do it by yourself. All those parts we are doing here are to be done in the notebook. Okay, so the sixth part is 4 by 9, 5 by 3 plus minus 4 by 5 plus 7 by 9 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 9 by 5. Again, we can see that there are numbers having the same denominators. We have to arrange them. The same denominators वालों को we can put together like this. This we have placed together the numbers having the same denominators. Now you can solve it and will get the answer. So this you are going to do it by yourself in your notebooks. Okay, so you are going to solve it by yourself. Same denominators we put together, solve, simplify it, you will get the final answer. Next, coming to question number 8. Question number 8 is verify. What we have to verify? Minus of minus x is equal to x. You have to verify this. Now for verification, what do? We solve left hand side separately and we solve right hand side separately. We see whether left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. For the first part, we have x की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है 7 by 6. So let us pick the left hand side. Minus of minus x, we'll put 7 by 6 over here minus minus will be plus, so we got 7 by 6. Coming to right hand side, that is simply x, which is equal to 7 upon 6. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is hence verified. This is what we have to verify, so we can write hence verified. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so second part you are going to try it by yourself. Very simple, taking left hand side and right hand side and verifying it. Similarly, we have question number 9. Again, that is of verification. Question number 9 is verify minus x plus y is equal to minus x plus minus y. We'll do B part. X is equal to minus 3 by 4, y is equal to minus 6 by 7. Again, we'll take left hand side LHS, that is minus x plus, this. So we'll put the value here. We are going to solve it. LCM will be 28, 4 7s are 28, 7 3s are 21. Again, plus minus is minus, 7 4s are 6 4s are 24. So you'll have, this is equal to minus 45 by 28. Minus minus is plus, so minus 45 by 28. Again, minus minus is plus, so this will be 45 upon 28. Coming to right hand side, RHS is minus x plus minus y. At the place of x I am putting the value. Now because यहाँ भी एक माइनस है और x में भी एक माइनस है, that's why I put the bracket. ठीक है, कोई confusion ना हो, that's why we have put one extra bracket here, because x के पास भी माइनस का साइन है और यहाँ भी एक माइनस का साइन है. Similarly, we'll write in y. This will be minus minus plus. Again, this will be minus minus plus. We'll take the LCM. 28, 4 7s are 21 plus 24, which will be again 45 by 28. So we have left hand side and right hand side equal. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Very simple, just put the value, solve it. Solve LHS separately, solve right hand side separately, you will get the, if the answers are same, then it is verified. Remember बेटा, whenever it is, ये चीज़ हमेशा याद रखना, whenever it is verification, जब भी word verification आता है, that means आपका left hand side और right hand side equal होना चाहिए. It should come equal. If it is not coming equal, then you are doing some mistake in it. ठीक है? Whenever it is set for verification, verified, then left hand side should be equal to right hand side. अगर वो equal नहीं आ रहा है, that means you people are doing some mistake. You have to correct it or you have to check it again. Okay? Coming to question number 10, that is subtract. अभी तक we were doing the question of addition and subtraction mix. Now the question number 10 is subtract. We'll do second part. 4 by 9 from minus 1 by 6. 4 by 9 को minus 1 by 6 से subtract करना है. It is subtracting this from this. तो हमेशा from वाले को हम पहले लिखते हैं. Okay? Minus 4 upon 9. इसको ऐसे समझो. I have to subtract 2 from 3. मुझे 2 को 3 में से कम करना है. 3 में से कम करना है, मतलब 3 minus 2 हो गई. ओके, 2 from 3 का मतलब होता है 2 को 3 में से कम करना है. सो 3 minus 2 हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली 4 upon 9 from 1 minus 1 upon 6. सो minus 1 upon 6 को हम पहले लिखेंगे, minus 4 upon 9. Again same steps, we'll take the LCM, that will be 18 minus 3 This will be minus 11 upon 18 will be the answer. Simply we'll go. बस इतना ही याद रखना है, सब्ट्रैक्शन में फ्रॉम से नेक्स्ट वाला विल बी रिटन फर्स्ट, माइनस 4 upon 9, then we'll get the answer. So you are going to do second and fourth part in your notebook. अपने आप ट्राई करोगे फोर्थ पार्ट, सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ पार्ट आर टू बी डन इन द फेयर नोटबुक. ओके, coming to question number 11. Question number 11 is the sum of two rational numbers is 5 by 18. If one of the number is 1 by 8, find the other. They are saying sum of two rational number is 5 by 18, and if one number is 1 by 8, so it is given one number is 1 by 8. So we'll let other number be x. Two numbers हैं, one number हमें 1 by 8 given है, we have to find the other number. So we assume let other number be x. Okay, the sum of these two numbers x plus 1 upon 8, this is given equal to 5 by 18. The sum of two rational numbers are given 5 by 18. This is according to quotient. ATQ. ATQ means according to quotient. According to quotient, the sum of these two numbers is equal to 5 by 18. We have to find the value of this x. So हम क्या करेंगे, this 1 by 8 को हम दूसरी साइड लेके जाएंगे. When we are going to take it to the other side, plus will change to minus. This becomes 5 by 18 minus 1 upon 8. So x is equal to, we'll take the LCM, that is 36. 18, 8, 9s are 36. This will be 1 by 36. So the other number is, we'll write other number is 1 by 36. The other number is 1 by 36. Okay, so what we said, one number is given to us 1 by 8, we assume let other number be x. According to quotient, the sum of the two numbers is 5 by 18, right? So ये जो हमें x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, so we'll take 1 by 8 to the other side, we'll subtract it, we'll get the answer. Coming to question number 13, I'll explain question number 13. Question number 12 you are going to try it by yourself. Okay, so actually question number 13 and 12 are almost same. 13 is little bit complicated than 12, so I'll explain 13 or 12 you are going to try it by yourself. What should be subtracted from 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5 to get the answer 1 by 2. First I am explaining this, don't write this, I'll let you know what to write. Question is, इसमें से क्या subtract किया जाए? Subtract मतलब मैंने बोल दिया x को subtract किया जाए कि आंसर मेरा 1 upon 2 आ जाए. दोनों को subtract करने के बाद the answer should be 1 upon 2. What should be subtracted? So इसमें से क्या subtract किया जाए, वो क्या मैंने x assume कर लिया कि मैंने x subtract करूँ, then I'll get the answer 1 upon 2. Okay, so this what the question is. What should be subtracted? That means we have to find the value of x. Similarly is in the question number 12, what should be subtracted from 7 upon minus 8 to get the answer minus 13 upon 12. इसमें से क्या subtract किया जाए so that my answer should come minus 13 upon 12. Okay, so this is what the question is. Here also you have to find the value of x. Almost similar question. So question number 12 you will do it by yourself. So we'll start like this. Let x be subtracted from given number. Let x be subtracted from given number to get 1/2. So which means 3/4 plus 1/3 प्लस 2/5. इसमें से मैं x को सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगी, माय आंसर विल कम 1/2. दिस व्हाट द क्वेश्चन मीन्स, that I am subtracting x from this so that I get the answer 1/2. So first I am going to solve this bracket. Let us take the LCM. So for 4, 3 and 5, 4, 3, 5, 2 2s are 4, 2, 3, 5. Okay, it will be like this only क्योंकि तीनों co-prime है. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60 will be the LCM. 4 15s are 60. 4 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें 60 आएगा? That will be 15. So 15 3s are 45. 3 20. 5 12s are 60. That is 24. Minus x is equal to 1/2. Okay. Adding them will get 89/60 minus x is equal to 1/2. We have to find the value of x. So we'll keep the x here, minus x here, equals to 1/2. ये यहाँ पे प्लस है, इसके साथ कोई साइन नहीं है, that means ये प्लस का साइन है, तो ये उधर जाके from the other side it will become minus. Right? Again we'll take the LCM. That will be 60. 2 30s are 30 minus 89. This will be minus 59/60. This is the value of minus x. ये किसकी वैल्यू है? Minus x की. Minus will be cancelled by minus. So x will be 59/60. So the number that should be subtracted will be 59/60. Or you'll write at the last, required number is 59/60. This should be written in the last. The required number is 59/60. What should be subtracted? We assumed x to be subtracted. That is minus x. We solved the bracket. We took the LCM. This comes out to be 89/60 minus x is equal to 1/2. अब 89/60 जब equals to के उधर जाएगा तो वो माइनस का हो जाएगा, because here it is positive. कोई साइन नहीं है, that means it is positive. So when it will go to other side, it will become minus. We'll take the LCM, we'll solve it. Minus x is equal to minus 59/60. Minus से minus cancel, x is 59/60. This is your required number that should be subtracted so that we get the answer 1/2. Okay? In this exercise, we are going to do till here only. इसके बाद MCQs we are not going to do. We are going to do till question number 13. If you are having any problem, please contact me. I'm not getting any response from your side. I don't know why you people are studying it or not. For any problem, contact me. You can WhatsApp me personally. Next week, that is on Tuesday, I'll take a live session to discuss the part we have studied. Plus, I'm going to see your notebooks also. Okay? So on Tuesday, I'll conduct a live session. Thank you, girls.